The Galaxy S and Note series have never been cheap devices, and every year the prices have kept on rising bit by bit by bit, and we hit the highest price of a non-folding smartphone with the S20 Ultra at $1,400. But with the Galaxy S21 series, there is some good news and a bit of a bad news as well. But before all of that, hello guys, how are you? And if this is your first time here, hitting that subscribe button would mean the world to me. Like I said, I have both good news and the bad news. So let's start with the good news. The price of the Galaxy S21 series has decreased considerably. So last year the Galaxy S20 started with €999 and this year, okay, wait. I know we are still in 2020 and for some reason I just keep referring to 2020 as last year and 2021 as this year, which is weird. I do apologize. I don't know exactly why I keep on doing this, but maybe I just want to leave 2020 ASAP. So back to the point, the Galaxy S20 series costed €999 and this year's next year's Galaxy S21 is rumored to cost €849. That guys is a price drop of €149, which is a lot. In Indian rupees, it is about a decrease of 10,000 if we decrease the same percentage of money from the S20 Indian unit, and in dollars it should be around $849 as well. The Galaxy S21 Plus is also getting a price cut, but it's not getting as big of a cut as the S21 did. So damn it. So this year's Galaxy S20 Plus costed €1099 and the Galaxy S21 Plus is rumored to cost €1049. So we are only getting a €50 price cut, which should make the Indian price about 73,000 and the American price should also be around $1049. So it's not a huge cut, but a cut is a cut. Now to the bad news. Yes, the price of the S21 and the S21 Plus has decreased, but the S21 Ultra supposedly is going to be even more expensive. The Galaxy S20 Ultra costed €1349 and the S21 Ultra has 50 more quid tagged on, making it a full £1,400, which is expensive, more than the Galaxy Note 20 and almost stepping into the folds territory. And according to this, the Indian price should be about 1 lakh and USA price about $1,449. So some phones have gotten cheaper, others have gone more expensive, and this clearly shows that how much of a feature gap will there be between the Galaxy S21 phones. This could mean that Samsung plays in more budget options, but it will also mean that small phone lovers are getting a considerable layoff in features, and also don't forget, the chargers are gone this year. So let me know guys, what do you think about this Samsung's decision? I don't know, feels weird to me. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on the same topic, hit the like button if you enjoyed. You guys can also follow me over on Twitter, and with that, thanks a lot for watching.